As a matter of fact, I want to say that I'm talking about it now. Because I want to go like a meeting with it.
Really? What numbers are going with?
You know, I want better than
Yeah, me book him up the other day when we go check numbers down at the bar. It's what?
Well, it's like back in the league. It's like I like to think this one between him and numbers rather kind of end up on the shot and the stick, so to speak. Thinking still a little bit sore about it. And remember, me don't want to do no foolish. And because in the country at the level, me don't feel like people are people are reason with it and make sure they keep the medicine right. You see?
Alright, King man, no say a word. Me go give him a page and have a reason with him. But me and you need for talking, man. You need for come up and come check me or me come check you or one at the time them.
Sure, because we never need to get on the government in about next week. So, when we pass through, we are going to make it the point of this year and there will happen. Yeah.
No say a word, King man. But me go make sure talk to numbers and see which part in headspace there.
Yeah, man. I consider that personal favor. If you can keep it grounded.
I mean, not feel good for no, sir. When winter time come round, you can't move around there. Yeah, man. What's your style, yeah? I'm going to sound you up back in the weekend. Yeah, man, don't worry yourself, man. I think we can put together like 3 bills and send to you.
Alright, King man, no say a word. Me go give him a page and have a reason with him. But me and you need for talking, man. You need for come up and come check me or me come check you or one at the time them.
Sure, because we never need to get on the government in about next week. So, when we pass through, we are going to make it the point of this year and there will happen. Yeah.
No say a word, King man. But me go make sure talk to numbers and see which part in headspace there.
Yeah, man. I consider that personal favor. If you can keep it grounded.
Juggling I go on, I do a thing for Kingman and when I done them from over Spain, ranking. I go on, man, but like me there tell you, sir, the farming I want to get back in right now. Yeah. Brother, go and hold it, You have to angle the candle out here and see what we can get done. Because like me tell you, if we don't get the funds, Blackhead have to drop. That me I pray. Yeah, man, never find a way to chat back to the boy when he Trevor Sullivan. Alright. Yeah, man. Just stay safe, yeah? Alright. No, when my thing free up, we can see if we can jump on a flight and come safe. Yeah, man. Love and love alone, yeah, brother? Ah.
I mean, boss lady, I roll out the commit.
Yeah, boss?
She have a commit.
Oh. I wonder if it's a one cat here, they draw away and can't come because I know say you're a little girl, you know.
No, man, we are behave myself, man,
Yeah, man.
So we are going on the ground.
I want to tell you too, Forward for come do some business down here still,
Yeah.
I really want to talk to you about the place or something.
them do up here, so. 'Cause it look like a euro drum, you know.
You know, sir. I'll tell them where you know, it's a kind of local vibration, you know, I think, you know, the place where them call heart, I think them have things to do with it as well, you know. But as all that your boss come down here for come link up and talk about. Yeah man, because them have some different programs going on, some dancing thing and some DJ thing and them little things there. So more while when I down that side, yeah, I down here so I come talking, you know. You don't want to say, come link a little herbalist down that side then, have a little farm. You know, you can't too loud it up.
Yeah.
I mean, I tell Kingman from the other day, sir, and I really like what I get for the weed house. Because some of them things are some overseas things, sir, and we not get the right quality. I want to know what kind of chemical night. Because I tell you, say, 2 birds drink forward, and one of them tell me, say, be a cough in my cough. And I say, brother, maybe your lungs not too strong. And I say, no, man, a long time, I have done it, man, but something not too right.
But you know, say, it kind of depends on all the strain sometimes. But if I tell you, you know, one time I think you produce the herbs I'm used to get from you.